All good so far. Alright, well, I've done that. But here's, well, I want to take off a little bit more from this edge. Well, here's where I said I realized I've done this thing a little bit out of order, because I would have liked to have done that before the truing, I think. And unfortunately I didn't. But I'm going to do a last final truing after I vacuum up all this mess so that the pad will sit down nice and flat. And I think you guys get the idea so far. We're going to do a test of this car with the true tires here shortly, and you'll get a chance to see what kind of improvement, if any, we get. I think there is going to be a substantial improvement. Thanks for watching.